Today I wanted to talk about the 3 most common questions I get when talking about porcelain veneers. Hi, I'm Dr. Rich Creasman at the Atlanta Dental Spa Brookhaven location. First most common question is how long do they last? The obvious answer is that it depends on how well you maintain them, but generally we tell people that 15 years is a good general time for the longevity of a porcelain veneer. The second one is, can I still get a cavity underneath them? And the answer is unfortunately yes. As long as you have a tooth in your mouth, you can still get a cavity. Porcelain veneer doesn't make it impervious to that, but it does help protect those teeth. And the third question is, how long does it take? How long is that process? Start to finish, the process takes just a little over 30 days. There's many different steps that go into that process, but the good news is that you get to enjoy that process pretty much straight from the beginning. So if you have any other veneer questions, feel free to give us a call. I'd love to sit down and talk with you more about them.